Yongongan na sota ni ngole ni vici chamani ke mami breva sumai na vida na vivono ya osa na ono aku poka poranga ko chamani so ke mami ke misa kami sota bakan dua so ni turanga ni nakaukawa me wenyudu turanga ni lebuka turang ikan tahu seles Bangladesh turang tahu macam roti wajib mami orang tanda betok
Naka to you all from Boy Nina Oro, it echo in the night. Boy Nina Oro vibe, always shining like a light. Come and join the family, let's now move as one. Every like, every share, that's how we run. Step inside
we have
so now we introducing ourselves.
And my mom is from Hunwadewu, that's how I'm related to Kali.
You related to me too.
Related to her.
My name is Johnny. I'm from Honolulu, Wainurua.
Oh,
I'm married to a German, but now I have two sons. And I've been here since 1991. I'm 63 years old, still going. And I work in the German Post. And I always, you guys in Facebook, in WhatsApp, I never ever met time for me to
Naka.
And I'm very happy. God bless, I'm very happy. I always message Kali. I never met him. But you always in Facebook. And I told him last week, can I come? Yeah, you can come. So,
Naka.
I'm very glad to meet you guys, Fijians. Bula Vinaka.
Bola.
My name is Marika Rangekusa and I'm from Bau Island, Telugu.
My name is Penny. I'm from Seattle, also to Serua. I've been here in Germany for 5 years now. I'm also married to my wife, she's also German. 27 years of age. Came to play to Frankfurt, now I live in close to Frankfurt, it's an hour away. And at the moment I'm studying.
Naka. Kurani.
Naka. My name is Bill. I'm Bill. I'm from Taiwan.
Naka.
Ich bin Jörg, ich bin der Mann von Cecilia. Ich komme aus Österreich-Scharmbeck hier in Deutschland, in der Nähe von Bremen. Und ja, wir haben eine Tochter, sind seit 1997 verheiratet und ja, war schon mehrfach in Fiji.
My name is Sairusi. I'm from the most beautiful island in Fiji, called Kandau. This is my partner here, this is Marina, and I've got two kids up there, Joshua and Leonardo.
Naka. Conny.
Okay. Wer darf das sein? Genau, ich bin Cornelia oder kurz Conny. Genau, bin verheiratet mit Patti und wir wohnen hier in Sassenberg. Und genau, wir haben einen Hund, Romy. Ja, das war's.
From the Pacific way, that's my opinion, and that's why I like it. I was with a Tongan lady together for 8 years. Sorry, we are separate, but we have a beautiful daughter, Lelan, and I live in Berlin now.
Naka.
I mean, some maybe know me already. Okay.
Thank you.
Ja, manche von euch kennen mich schon. Ich bin Ungar Basuka. Ich gehöre zu Veda. Ja, ich komme ja von Samoa. Und ich lebe schon hier in Deutschland seit 1995. Und wir haben 3 Töchter. Also ich habe 2 große Töchter. Ich habe früher geheiratet mit einem deutschen Mann. Und dann haben wir uns geschieden 2006. Und dann habe ich dann Douglas kennengelernt 2012. Das war den Festival von Manfred. Genau. Da haben wir uns kennengelernt. Ja. Und wir sind jetzt 11 Jahre verheiratet. Und Sarah ist unsere gemeinsame Tochter.
Naka.
My name is Tanda. I'm Fijian National in Macau, but I'm now Rainer Hoffman. I'm in Germany for 23 years, and my husband is at home. I couldn't make it today. Yeah, I live in Hampstead. That's where you live, Hannover, Braunschweig, and Hampstead, going to Berlin. Yeah, so I have a son. Yeah. Maybe.
Naka.
Hi, I'm Ina. I'm the mother of Joel and the wife of Penny. We've stayed together in Fiji for 5 years, and 2 years ago we came to Germany to stay here. We live in Aurich, that's closer to the Northern Sea.
Oh, so. Cut.
In his village, in Levuka.
Levuka, that's near to my mom's village.
Yeah.
You introduce yourself.
No, you first. Where is that Levuka?
Levuka on the island beside Suva, outside.
Ladies first. My name is Akira. I'm his wife. And we have 2 boys, AJ and Dave. And we live in Hanover.
So I'm Kali. A lot of people just call me Kali, but on Facebook and social media I'm called Kali Overview. So most of you have reached out to me through Facebook or any other social platforms. Now you can put the name and the face together. So, but I'm really happy to see everyone present here and on behalf of the Fijian elders. I didn't know that John was the eldest of the Fijians living in Germany. Before it was Nico, I think. Nico. So he passed away a few years ago. It's really good to see him. And John is related to my auntie who's married to my uncle in Fiji. They're from the same village. That's how we connected also know each other. But to all of you that came today, thank you very much for hearing out the message that came out and also the pledge from the admins through the Fijians in Germany. The good news is Brussels is opening soon, the embassy, so the news will be coming out in, I think, in a few months or in the beginning of the next year. Thank you very much.
Yeah, guys, I have to go and get the cake, and also we have to bring some of the food which we prepared from home. So now they finished the church service. Now it's dinner time. We'll have some finger food, some seafood. I'll show you guys. Let's go, Toso boys. Mori chop suey from Marina. Yeah.
Tanto sotto cercare
Morri, io.
Guarda che mi sotto.
Guarda sa che mi sotto.
Long time no see.
Long time no see. So here we having the buffet ready. Gorre. So babi. Kita kena gorna dessert. Coffee gorre chop suingo. Chop suini kandabu. Ave serusi. Narina. Na rice. Na apa seafood Kokonda. Lori seafood salad, pizza bread, molimboro, salad, another rice, chicken stew, tapioca, pide, another one here, lamb, pakan dua, curry lamb. Bengani, eggplant, valolo, ika valolo, talo tapioca, pizza bread time. Pakan dua. Lem curry ya?
Lamb, ja.
Pakan dua, kan semua.
Lamb neck.
Moli. Talo, ika, kokonda. Pos mantanakana atau mantakana mata sarang gitu. Fiji vs France.
Because so it did talk about the same day or it takes time.
Fortuna heavyweight na tanot. Heavyweight step to tolo. Kori. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kasu. Happy birthday to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear Basu. Happy long life to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. 3 cheers for Basu. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hey.
Kaya! All blow this candle.
Leo.
Kids,
Leo,
all the kids.
go blow that candle. Go.
Come here.
Go, Leo. Blow that candle.
Wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
Naka.
Oft habe ich denn die Wäsche
Cosa
angemacht.
devi volere di sotto la mano.
Christmas tree agora.
Orang ay ko'y laut. Orang ay ko'y na orang. Muna. Muna. Yan na. Amaan. Ibubuligin na. Tuwing may urang ha.
na buligay. Maybe ito tayo na tunga ano kay Los Baru kaya na way. Ya kung ba maiwan na tunga ano kung ba bangagi na nga ba rawan niya nga ni bangagi buligin. Kung nga besin yung buligay. Ginaway-away ni Banua ay subsew na ni yang may wala biro iguguro na loko na igugoy chama ni bito ala lay ni bi na bibono tumba se mabuligin na ba wa ibuligin na raw dito may tua raw may tungagan loko to may bito nga tunga mangi laylay tunga nga na way kaya simsibe mundo mo kuwa ba alayo ko may gina may bira lalay kan narugo buligin na niyo mundo nga bagay na mauobol yung tutua yung taibo ay na ano ni rin magkanisa sarga na pamada alay buli nga may migyan na iabi itong tua ito karaba nabi kaya yang kau beli bikin apa kono ayam bakar rasu no ayam bakuli gina ayam kona ay siu susu rau
nagpamitara tingko masa cuma tanah anggona baturanga kana wasa matua ande saka cuma baturanga na ubale toke zaman ko yang gas tundua ada ko yang tundua na ugluman bale kumbuna na bono tikamba kinisa sa berpasangan menambah narok tu decades kena sasau kena mata itu bekani gangana toba na wale bu tunduna turanga kena mai valut tundra sipsibu tau tundra kena puasa sima makan na mai bangun kena rai na kan tamai tunduna bono bulagi bango se bangun bulai cuma nonde tau ki sala be char chunum de angona nakena mangiji kon samai wasia bata nakena lotu samai garabirawa kena puasa wata mata sa tambong mai lang may sulit ko nakena be bakulungata ki bukulungata chipo na bubale to kay chaman na kalungat siguro na isol-soli kalungat siguro na nonton tuita katakan dundua atala ke nonton tu mata bale mai bici kalungat ba chipo ndo wa chuma ndake de wa una vesi ngani mata kamana dinamdo do naka doa guten tag kumpulin onda guten tag bonito bui zaman mo ambasika magasaka
ko na bu
now we are just enjoying cover. So you have the lady from Bunda right on the far corner there. He's married to a friend here. They live 1 hour drive from here. Auntie Unga there, married to Basundra Dagales. And that's John. First time he's meeting the Fijians. And Mansford here from Berlin. Turangan tal kali. Maramasista. Okay, so now you will hear the Fijians in Germany cover band. We'll strum the guitar and you just take your own drone. Take it away. Berapa kau baca kan di TikTok? Yang paisa ngamai. Bro.
What is going to sing song? Can you dance when I sing? See, go tell your father to give €5. When I sing. What's wrong? Come. Tolong dan rusak yang apa sih? Mas, taruh jika belum mati. Kita ramai nonton mana? Nonton mana?
Sengani lamata rawa mai Uni no mulena nilidia Oile lia Yonggongan na sota ni ngole ni vici chamani ke mami breva sumai en vida na vivono ya osar ana ono aku ko ako chamani so ke mami ke misa kami sota bakan dua so ni turangan ni nakaukawa na wenulu turangan ni lebuka mata-mata ada kembali dekat pati turun sewa turun di Katabu slash Bangladesh turun di Wajib mami randa-randa bitoka
still going strong here. Also, some of the families are leaving, so the families of Ben from Ogolau, from Ibiti, they are heading up 3 hours drive to the North Sea of Germany. And also these two friends here, the one is from Berlin, and they are also leaving soon, so time check. Yuk, baru tunggu na vital-tal lah. It's almost 10, so we are closing off because there's another busy day tomorrow. Many have family commitments. So now my friend from Berlin is going. Next time, eh? Next meet, we'll let you know also. So kita ngabur na wanyo-wanyo. Yuk, mo na vlog. Mo de bici, mo de. Kalau main nonda. Isa ulangilah sandina. No. Sana bondo ena mataka momba unanuma nanonda tolasa mai sasenbek nanumati konga mai sasenbe elelo nanu mati konga yo video Mother, safe travel, write us when you reach home. Yo.
Then you are sleeping at 6 o'clock. We are home.
Don't worry. I already wake up again.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Mother Berlin.
My friend Connie is waiting.
Yeah, okay. Also, tschüss. Okay.
Another round of cover.
Oh, yeah, come on.
Yeah, another round of cover. Ciao, ciao. Mother. Okay, kita sama mo ten ko na bubualit okay. Samani. Nengke kalongata. Panu ni pinakatuen na yang bakibo kena tawasin. Pero me vamos de